I'm going to show you all the pieces that you're going to need to construct your rocket launcher, and I'll put a parts list in the comment section as well, but we'll just want to show you everything that you're going to need. These are all items that I was able to pick up at a standard big box hardware type store, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding any of these items. To start off, we have 6 sections of 3/4 inch PVC pipe with 3 end caps, 3/4 inch end caps for PVC pipe, and 1 elbow that is 3/4 inches on one side, and you can see goes down to a threaded 1/2 inch on the other side. Then we have here 2 sections of 1/2 inch PVC pipe. One is 16 inches long and the other is 8 inches long. Next we have 2 T-couplers, and these are 3/4 inches all around. And then we have 1 coupler that is 3/4 inch on each side, another T-coupler, and then in the middle it is a threaded 1/2 inch in the middle. Then we have a 1/2 inch coupler that is smooth on one side and threaded on the other side. Next we have a nylon hose barb, and you can see that it says here that it is 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch. Next we have a 1.5 inch by 1.25 inch PVC bushing. Next to that we have number 12 O-rings. There is another water rocket instructional that recommends number 22 O-rings. I was not able to find number 22. If you find number 22, they're probably better, but number 12 should be easy to find and should work fine in this application. And then finally, for this first section, we have a section of PEX tubing. And PEX tubing is currently being sold as a replacement for copper tubing in your copper piping in your house water system. So you can look for it. Comes in sections like this, and you just need about a 2-inch section of that. So continuing with the second section of our parts list, we have here a section of polyethylene tubing. This is 3/8 of an inch outer diameter by 1/4 inch inner diameter polyethylene tubing. And for your actual rocket launcher, you'll probably want a longer section than this, but this is what I have available at the moment. I have some Teflon tape here. This is for plumbing applications and easily findable in the plumbing section. Some hose clamps. These are hose clamps with a maximum diameter of 1.5 inches, and these are smaller hose clamps with 1/4 inch to 5/8 of an inch. And you'll only need one of these, but here's just the bag that it comes in. Next, cable ties. So these are 8-inch cable ties. There probably others will work, but these are the ones that I used. Finally, you'll need 1 bicycle inner tube, and I have 2 as an example because you can use either a Presta valve tube or a Schrader valve tube. And it's easiest if you have bicycle tubes and you just take one that went flat, because what you'll be doing is cutting the valve out of it, and you can use either kind of valve. For my first rocket launcher, I used a Schrader valve like this, but for today's we'll be using the Presta one like this. If you use the Presta and you would like to pump it up with a standard bike pump or air compressor, you can buy an adapter like this at any bicycle shop, and that adapter will go right onto this this valve and allow you to pump it up with a standard bike pump. Finally, we have string, just regular nylon kind of kite string for pulling the release mechanism. Okay. I'd also like to go over the list of tools that you'll need for this project. It's a pretty small list. So first is a ordinary pocket knife, and next a hacksaw, any kind of sandpaper, a screwdriver, and a drill. And then also you'll need some PVC primer and PVC cement for gluing the whole thing together.